Oi, gente! Hello, everyone! My name is Maite, and today I am here to teach you how to make suggestions in Brazilian Portuguese. If you watch this video till the end, you will learn how to say "why don't you" in Brazilian Portuguese. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. In Brazil, you can use the literal translation of "why don't you," which is "por que você não" if you are talking to only one person, or "por que vocês não" if you are talking to two or more people. A few examples now. Let's say that your brother is complaining that his computer is super slow. You can then suggest that he buys a new one. In Portuguese, you could say "por que você não compra computador novo?" Por que você não compra computador novo? Why don't you buy a new computer? If a few of your friends live far from their parents and their relatives and they're telling you that they're homesick, that they miss their family a lot, you could say "por que vocês não vão visitar as suas famílias no Natal?" Por que vocês não vão visitar as suas famílias no Natal? Note that here the phrase is in the plural form, since I am talking to more than one person, right? Por que vocês não vão visitar as suas famílias no Natal? Why don't you guys go visit your families for Christmas? That's it, quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Vejo vocês no próximo vídeo. Tchau!